Let's dive into a world of sweet indulgence and sassy style. In the most tempting and sinful outfits, but in the sweetest way possible.
Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in SassyToys Channel. Today, we are going to unbox Sweet Temptation Tulabelle True Dress Doll. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This doll is from Tulabelle True 7 Sins online event collection, designed by Martin Key. Indulging in a world of temptation, a perfect blend of confidence, charm, and allure. This doll comes with certificate of authenticity with no edition size written. This side of the box you will find the base of the doll stand, and this side you will find the saddle stand. And now, let's take her out of the box. And now she's here! I love the color palette of her makeup. It matches her fancy outfit. Love all the intricate details, from the embroidery, beading, design, and materials used on her outfit. Now, let's remove the hairnet. Wow! She really embodies the spirit of sassiness from her head to foot. Here's Sweet Temptation Tulabelle without her accessories. This doll has the body type of True/the Industry 1.0 with skin tone of Japan and a hair color of golden blonde and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
Time to live.
here's the complete look of Sweet Temptation Tulabelle dress doll.
Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. Tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. We're fighting for love tonight. On the rhythm of life. We're fighting for love.
For me, she's 100% sassy.
We're fighting for love tonight.
So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.